how to use ChatGPT on Android phone. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're also beginner of using ChatGPT for the first time on your Android phone, so you're in the right video. So first thing what you need to do is just make sure you have already downloaded and installed your ChatGPT application on your device, as it's available for free, and if there's any update available you can also update it from over here. So once you do all of that, just open the ChatGPT application and make sure you have logged into your account so that you can safely keep your data safe. As you can see, I've already logged in with my Gmail account, so you can do the same. So once you do all of that, so to choose or to start using ChatGPT, you can do with various way. You can simply type in from our keyboard to start the conversation with the ChatGPT, just like this, or you can also use the different types of features like images from over here, which is a gallery section. You can also put an emoji over here. You can also click on this search bar, which basically means that ChatGPT will be searching throughout the web for solving your specific or researching your specific problems. And you can also click on this reasoning option, so whenever you try to ask questions to ChatGPT, it will always give a logical answer like this. So once you do all of that, you can also choose between these other options, such as this new feature that is deep research, so which is basically like a deep clone of our DeepSeek. So you can basically get the answer like with the deep research, that means research within research. So you can enable different options and generate different ideas to your answers or your questions. You can also even use voice command, just like this, hello ChatGPT. So you can even convert your voice to text feature and simply send it to them without having to type it. So as you can see, that's it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.